Foxgloves, scientifically known as Digitalis purpurea, are striking biennial or perennial plants known for their tall spikes adorned with tubular flowers. They belong to the genus Digitalis, which includes several species native to Europe, Asia, and North Africa. Here's an extensive look at the various aspects of foxgloves. Botanical description. Foxgloves typically grow up to 1.5 to 2 meters, 5 to 6.5 feet, tall, though some varieties can reach even greater heights under optimal conditions. The plants feature a basal rosette of soft, lance-shaped leaves that can grow up to 30 centimeters, 12 inches, long. From this rosette emerges a stout, hairy stem, which bears clusters of tubular flowers arranged in a terminal spike. Flowers. The flowers of foxgloves are iconic and distinctive. They are pendulous and bell-shaped, typically about 5 centimeters, 2 inches, long, and can vary in color from shades of pink and purple to white. The throat of each flower is often spotted or lined with darker markings, leading to a striking appearance that attracts bees and other pollinators. The blooming season for foxgloves is usually late spring to early summer, depending on the region and climate. Habitat and distribution. Foxgloves are native to woodland clearings, mountain meadows, and open grasslands in Europe, parts of Asia, and North Africa. They prefer partial shade to full sun and well-draining, moist soil. In the wild, they often grow in acidic to neutral soils and can be found at elevations ranging from sea level to higher altitudes. Cultivation. Due to their ornamental value, foxgloves are widely cultivated in gardens worldwide. They are typically grown from seeds, which should be sown in late spring or early summer for flowering in the following year. They can also self-seed prolifically under favorable conditions. Foxgloves are biennial plants, meaning they complete their life cycle in 2 years. In the first year, they produce foliage and establish a strong root system. Flowering occurs in the second year, after which the plant typically dies back, although it may reseed itself. Toxicity. One of the most important aspects of foxgloves is their toxicity. They contain digitalis glycosides, notably digitoxin and digoxin, which are potent cardiac glycosides. These compounds can be dangerous if ingested in large quantities and are toxic to humans and animals. Symptoms of poisoning may include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, irregular heartbeat, and potentially death in severe cases. Therefore, caution is advised when growing foxgloves, especially around children and pets. Medicinal uses. Despite their toxicity, foxgloves have been historically used in medicine, particularly in the treatment of heart conditions such as atrial fibrillation and congestive heart failure. The active compounds, when used in controlled and precise doses, can help regulate and strengthen heart function. However, due to the narrow therapeutic window and potential toxicity, medical use of foxgloves is strictly supervised and generally replaced by safer modern medications derived from digitalis compounds. Cultural and symbolic significance. Foxgloves have cultural significance in various traditions. In folklore, they have been associated with fairies and magical beings, often seen as portals to the fairy realm. They also feature in literature and art, symbolizing both beauty and danger. In the language of flowers, foxgloves can convey messages of ambition, insincerity, or youthfulness, depending on the cultural context. Varieties and hybrids. There are several cultivated varieties and hybrids of foxgloves, offering a range of colors and sizes. Some popular cultivars include Excelsior hybrids, known for their robust flowering spikes in various colors, and Pam's Choice, which features white flowers with dark maroon markings. Breeders continue to develop new varieties with improved disease resistance, flower size, and color intensity, expanding the appeal of these plants in gardens and landscapes. Gardening tips. For gardeners interested in growing foxgloves, providing well-drained soil, regular watering, and partial shade are key to success. Deadheading spent flowers can prolong blooming, while cutting back the entire plant after flowering can encourage new growth and potential reseeding. Since they are biennial, allowing some plants to go to seed ensures a self-sustaining population in the garden for future years. Conservation and ecological impact. In the wild, foxgloves play a role in ecosystems as pollinator-attracting plants and as food sources for certain herbivores. However, they can also be invasive in some regions where they escape cultivation and outcompete native vegetation. Conservation efforts focus on managing their spread while preserving their role in biodiversity and ecosystem health. Conclusion: foxgloves are not just garden plants, they are complex organisms with a rich history of medicinal use, cultural significance, and ecological impact. From their toxic properties to their beautiful flowers and diverse cultivars, foxgloves continue to captivate and intrigue gardeners, scientists, and enthusiasts alike. Understanding their biology, cultivation requirements, and potential risks is essential for anyone interested in growing or appreciating these striking plants in gardens or natural settings. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.